part of the reason why institutional capital is taking their time to enter the space, because having to manage someone else's money and then give the keys to one of your employees is pretty risky on your reputation. I think also, some of the technological aspects of crypto, I always say this, and some faces here saw me at the panel last week and I said the same thing, but the crypto market now is one of the only instances in history where the market and the interest has outpaced the development of the infrastructure. So when people talk about like algorithmic trading, for example, in FX or equities, the technology is so advanced. The algorithms, the speed, the connectivity is world class. That doesn't exist in the crypto space now. And so, it's very difficult, for example, to run a lot of complicated algorithms or latency sensitive strategies. So that's one whole area of the market that does not exist, that if this ecosystem does develop, you will see more speed traders entering that. And I think, there's other things as well. I mean, you guys touched on risk management, et cetera. One thing that I always think about when I look at the crypto space now is the fact that there's lack of regulation. Some people look at that and say, that's an opportunity. I think of it as a crutch. And the reason I say that with such high conviction is because as a US organization, it's been around for so long, we operate, and myself as well, and all of us here have operated in regulated markets our entire career. So you look at the framework and how one would operate in a regulated market, and you look at what is happening in the crypto world, and it's not exactly a mirror image. And so choosing your trading partners, choosing your vendors is very, very important, because you want to make sure that your partners in this space are following the rules, especially if they are custodying your asset or there's going to be settlement risk, et cetera, because you just never know when the hammer comes down. And if the tide goes out and your partner is unveiled to be someone who's not operating in your best interest, your asset might be stuck with them, right? These are things that happen once in a cycle in traditional finance with banks going under, et cetera. But in the crypto world, all it takes is for one regulator to say, I want to see your books, and then that trading partner, et cetera, might be uncovered.